The reason why you are stuck despite all this healing and all this inner work you are doing, it's because one thing and one thing only. You are not taking actions. It's cool and all to do inner work, study, read self-development books and become aware and gain all those insights and discover your trauma and understand your trauma and understand why you are the way you are, and because when you were 7 years old this happened to you, and because your mom and your dad and your sibling and this thing that happened in high school. And it's great, it's amazing, good for you that you understand all those things. But it's not because you understand why you are the way you are that it means you are healed, that it means you are getting out of that identity and you are becoming a new person that is aligned with your dream life, that is aligned with achieving the things that you desire to achieve. No. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aziza. If you're new here, I hope you embrace your growth journey and create your dream life. So if you resonate with this and you want to grow and succeed in life, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Understanding your trauma and doing the inner work is an amazing step towards creating your dream life. However, you have to take action. First of all, you have to take responsibility for your life. You have to understand that you are responsible for your life, that you are creating your life, co-creating your life with the universe, with God, with the source. You are not the only one participating in the creation of your life. There is a force that is orchestrating things, that is making things happen, that is putting things in your way, on your path, that is guiding you and helping you. However, for this to happen, you have to move forward and you have to take responsibility for your part of the job, for your part of the creation that is your life. So understand this, understand that the way you are, the way you behave every single day, the habits you implement, the routine you create for yourself, the things you watch, the way you think, the way you talk to yourself. You have to practice being positive, talking to yourself in a positive way, not destroying yourself and criticizing yourself and hating on yourself every day, but encouraging yourself and loving on yourself and giving affirmation, daily affirmations. Doing all those things are a part of your job, are a part of your responsibility, but it's also way more things to do. The inner work and the self-development and meditating, affirmation, journaling, those are great tools for you to become, or at least lead you to the person you aspire to become, and to become the person that creates the things that you want to create, that has the thing that you want to have. However, the action taking doesn't stop there. The action actually starts there. You have to take action towards your goals. You have to now become her, embody her. So start implementing new habits, different things that now you have to do that you never done before. You have to now let go of old habits that are not serving you anymore. You have to move differently. To have different results, you have to do things differently. You cannot continue being the same person and thinking the same way and expecting different results in your life. Now it's time to act. Don't get comfortable in the personal growth journey, in the self-help books era, in the inner work era. No, now it's time to implement the things that you gain while you introspected and while you look straight in the eye of your trauma and of your deepest pain. Now it's time to make things happen for yourself. Now it's time to everything that you gain from that era, from that journey that you still on, that you probably will forever be on, because we never stop growing, we never stop evolving. That is our nature. However, now it's time to make things happen for you to reach your goals. So to do that, commit to one action this week. Just one action per week. Start with weekly and then you will do bi-weekly, and then you do, bi-weekly is every 2 weeks, so it's half of a week. every 3 days, and then you'll do daily. But commit to one action this week that you will take towards your goals, towards your dream life, towards the person that you want to become. If you want to become healthy, if you want to become abundant, if you want to become successful, if you want to become whatever it is that you want to become, whatever it is that you don't have, that you are seeking in your life right now, take one action towards that goal. Use the healing, use the personal growth, the things that you learned. One of those insights, let's say the insights that you had, that you came to realize, is that you are a people pleaser. You overextend yourself, you overgive, you don't know how to say no. Well, this week you have to say no. This week, you commit to saying no to things that do not align, to people that do not deserve your time or your energy. You implement the things that you learn from your growth journey. And by taking the action, by doing this, you are becoming her. You are becoming that person that has boundaries, that is not a people pleaser, that prioritizes herself, that manages herself, her time, her space, her energy the proper way. And that's because she is that she is able to achieve her goals, to get what she wants out of life, to be a successful entrepreneur, to be a successful artist, to be able to whatever it is that you aspire to do. Taking actions is embodiment. Taking actions is you transforming, is you becoming that person that has what you want. It's by becoming her, by becoming this person, that you are able to achieve your goals and that you are able to create your dream life. So act like it. Act like her. Your life changes at the level of your decisions, not your realizations and not your thoughts only. You have to decide and act on it. So knowing all this, let's implement for this week. Let's implement a new habit that you are going to practice every single day of the week. Repeat it daily. Repeating is a key factor in learning and becoming. It's by repeating that you create a neural pathway in your brain that becomes your identity, that allow you to then do these things effortlessly without even thinking, because now you repeated it enough time that it is natural, it is second nature to you. And then you can tackle another habit and another one and another one, and building that person within you by taking actions and by repeating those actions will allow you to achieve the goals and to get what you want in life. And remember, growth or healing that doesn't show up in your actions is just storytelling. You are just telling stories to yourself and to whomever want to listen to. But the proof of your growth, the proof that you will experience in your reality, is only by taking actions. So let's implement one new habit this week. Let's repeat it on a daily and continue building from there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps. Comment below what is the habit you are implementing for the week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.